Hello, my name is Nathan Arakawa. In this video titled Conic Section from Expanded Equation Ellipse, I will be showing you how to transform a general conic equation into the standard form of an ellipse. Before I explain how to transform a general conic equation into the standard form of an ellipse, let us quickly review ellipses. In mathematics, an ellipse is a curve defined as the set of all points where the sum of the distances to two fixed points, also known as foci, is constant. Ellipses will always have two lines of symmetry, one vertical and one horizontal. Ellipses also have a minor axis, a major axis, and a center, as shown in this example here. Ellipses can be represented with the equation x minus h squared divided by a squared plus y minus k squared divided by b squared equals 1. The coordinates hk refer to the center of the ellipse. As stated before, in this video, I will demonstrate to you on how to transform an equation in general conic form to a standard form of an ellipse. Please note that not all equations in general conic form are ellipses. Equations in general conic form represent conic sections, which include ellipses, circles, parabolas, and hyperbolas. Please also note all the equations used in the examples represent ellipses. In this example, we are told to transform the equation 9x squared plus 4y squared minus 8y minus 32 equals 0 into the standard form of an ellipse. Let us do that. Now for my fourth step, I'm going to complete the square for the y terms inside the parentheses. To do this, I'm going to transform the equation into 9x squared plus 4 times y squared minus 2y plus 1 equals 32 plus 4. Please note, although we may have added 1 here, due to the distributive property, we really added 4, hence plus 4 on this side on the equation to ensure the equation stays the same. Continuing, I'm going to simplify the quadratic y squared minus 2y plus 1. This will transform the equation into 9x squared plus 4 times y minus 1 squared equals 32 plus 4. In my sixth step, I am now going to add 32 plus 4. This would transform the equation into 9x squared plus 4y minus 1 squared equals 36. In this next step, I'm going to divide both sides of the equation by 32. This would transform the equation into 9x squared over 36 plus 4y minus 1 squared divided by 36, which equals 36 over 36. I am now going to simplify these fractions. This will transform the equation into x squared over 4 because 36 divided by 9 equals 4. Plus 1y minus 1 squared over 9. This is because 36 divided by 4 equals 9. And that equals 36 over 36 equals 1, so hence it equals 1. I'm now going to further simplify this equation, transforming it into x squared over 4 plus y minus 1 squared over 9 equals 1. Because the equation now resembles a format, x minus h squared over a squared plus y minus k squared over b squared, we now know that we have successfully transformed the equation 9x squared plus 4y squared minus 8y minus 32 equals 0 into the standard form of an ellipse, which is x squared divided by 4 plus y minus 1 squared divided by 9 equals 1. The first step would be to add 32 to both sides to isolate the variable terms. This transforms the equation into 9x squared plus 4y squared minus 8y equals 32. The second step would be to group terms involving the same variable. This would transform the equation into 9x squared plus 4y squared minus 8y equals 32. My third step would be to factor out 4 from 4y squared minus 8y. This would transform the equation into 9x squared plus 4 times y squared minus 2y equals 32. Because the equation now resembles a format, x minus h squared over a squared plus y minus k squared over b squared, we now know that we have successfully transformed the equation 9x squared plus 4y squared minus 8y minus 32 equals 0 into the standard form of an ellipse, which is x squared divided by 4 plus y minus 1 squared divided by 9 equals 1. I would also like to note that you can find the major and minor axes of an ellipse by multiplying a by 2 and by multiplying b by 2. This is because in the standard form of an ellipse, a is half the distance of the horizontal axes. This is likewise for b, but with the vertical axes. Additionally, a major axis is just the longer axis of the ellipse, while the minor axis of an ellipse is just the smaller axis of that ellipse. And there we go. We now have our ellipse graphed because we were able to transform 9x squared plus 4y squared minus 8y minus 32 equals 0 into the standard form of an ellipse, x squared divided by 4 plus y minus 1 squared divided by 9 equals 1, which allowed us to graph this ellipse with great ease. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has helped you learn and understand how to transform a general conic equation into the standard form of an ellipse. Thank you and have a good day.